In this video, I am going to show the three major parts that make up this learning management system. This is LoopLearn. It is a B2B platform designed to help schools train their students in in-demand skills and prepare their students for the future. So we're going to start off with the admin facing panel of the application. Then we're going to move on to the student facing part of the application, and then we're going to move on to the content management system that allows for video upload, quiz, and the general content upload. So I'm going to kick off the process now, starting off from the landing page. So as you can see, train your students in in-demand skills, prepare for the future. It's for schools and it's for students. We enable schools to directly integrate this into their system and provide training services to their students. So I'm going to log in right now and we can get started. So this is the admin panel. You can see it has different sections. This is the platform this is the part where they can manage different things about the school. So this is where the admin of the school is going to be interacting with. So you can see this is the dashboard, student management, leaderboard, payments, and all of that. They can add students in this place. So they can add students either in bulk or singly. So it allows you to add students using the CSV file. You just need to upload all the emails and it does all the adding of students. And when students are added, an email is sent to them that they can, join the platform. So I'll add the students right now and we can test what the login process looks like for each and every one of the students that's going to have access to the platform. So but before that, I should try to show what the connecting process looks like. So you can connect your students through subscription plans. So I'm just going to test what that looks like right now. I'm going to test with Flutterwave. Click on next, continue payment, and it just shows you the payment integration that was done. So this is what the payment section looks like, but in order to save time, I'm just going to leave this for now. I can go in to see what the student facing part looks like. So every single school that registers on the platform is going to have this unique landing page for themselves. It is powered by a subdomain system. So I'm just going to test it like this. Enter my email and continue. And a link is going to get sent to me, so I'm going to check my email for that. A magic link is going to get sent to me, and I am going to sign in with that as a student. So this is from the student's perspective. So let me refresh for a bit. This is the onboarding process for every student that gets invited into the platform by their school. Okay, so the image is uploading. Write a bio. level, graduation year, and skills and interest. So let's save the details and see what the student facing part looks like. So this is the student facing part of the application. You can see we've not yet added any courses, and my information is being displayed, the number of courses I'm enrolled in, if I want any consultation, targets, learning activities, gamification points. So we do not have any courses yet. Let us try to enroll in a course. So I'm going to go to the Explore page, and I'm going to try to sign up for a course. See what that is going to look like. So these are different courses that you can take. This is just one course is listed right now, so I'm going to view it. You can see certificate, apprenticeship, view course. Click on that. This is the course page, shows the duration of the course and all of that. So let us try to enroll in this course. When I enroll, I'm going to be automatically added to the course, and now the course is part of my list, so I'm going to go to courses. And as you can see, this is what the page where the students will be taking the courses looks like. So you have the course title, you have the videos, you have different modules, you have course notes, and then you can play the video. This is a test video, by the way. And also, anytime a video completes, it's going to automatically go to the next section. So that is what is happening right now. Our video has finished, and it's going to take us to the next section. So this is a quiz. So the platform powers videos, quiz, projects, and all of that. So I'm going to choose an option and submit quiz. And you can also see it shows my progress. Okay, so you can see the result of the quiz we just completed. So that is what it looks like to take a course. And anytime we take a course and we're done with that, you can come back to the dashboard. You can see it shows our progress and what is up next. So, students can keep learning at any pace they want. They can also always come back and check the progress. Here's where the courses are going to be listed. It shows the completion rate. And there are also projects as well. So I can decide to create a new project, invite collaborators as well to work with. So this is what the student facing part of the application looks like, and I can check my user profile, student profile as well. So as you can see, it shows my student's profile, activities, and stuff. This is the third part of the application. This is the content management part of the application, where we can create courses, upload course materials, and publish them. So the course I just previewed, here is the course in the content management system. I'm going to go to the next section. And as you can see, these are the two modules that we previewed. You can select the module type, video, quiz, project. This is a quiz, so you can decide to add questions. You can add video files, titles, and stuff like that. Here's a project. can add materials project. And also, I can also change the arrangements of the courses using a drag and drop or user interface. So at the end, we can preview everything and we can publish the course. Although this course is already published. So this is the final part of the application. Yes, so basically it's a B2B platform where the platform creates courses and then the schools can partner up with the platform and then they can provide access to their students and then their students can access those courses right from the internet.